Hey, what's up everybody? So today what we're going to do is we're going to do a no-bake cheesecake. I usually bake my cheesecake. This is the first time that I'm doing a no-bake. And I'm doing it this way because I'm using some KitKat pieces that was given to me. So this is going to be a KitKat no-bake cheesecake. And this is what you're going to need. This is going to have a graham cracker crust, 1 stick of butter. We have to melt that. And then you got 1/3 a cup of brown sugar. And you got 1.5 cups of crushed graham crackers. You're going to need a springform pan. 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese. This has been sitting out. You want that soft. These you want chilled, so I got to put these back in the fridge. You're going to need 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, and you're going to need about 12 ounces of mascarpone cheese. You're going to need 1/3 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. I always like to use, if I'm going to use a lemon, I always like to use the zest. So this is the zest of 1 lemon. It comes out to about, I don't know, about a teaspoon or so. Teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of KitKat pieces. Okay, so we're going to start off by blending together first the sugar. That's the brown sugar. We're going to start off by mixing together the brown sugar and the graham crackers. All right, now we're going to add the butter. And we're going to mix this together real well. At this point, use your hands. All right, so we're going to dump that in the springform pan, and we're going to press this down. And we're going to pop this back into the fridge, or if you had room in your freezer, you could put it in the freezer until you need it. I don't have room in my freezer, so I'm just going to put it in my fridge. The butter will harden, and this will become a firm crust. So I'm going to put this in the fridge. These have been out for about a half hour, maybe longer. I'm going to try to whip these up, get these nice, creamy, smooth. All right, let's try to get this smooth. I'm going to add the lemon juice. Maybe that'll help break it up a little bit. I'm going to add the vanilla, the lemon zest. Scrape it down. All right, now we're gonna add the whipping cream. You need to work this till it's whipped nice and thick. Obviously, you have to keep on scraping this down. So you're almost at the point to put the sugar in. Add in the sugar. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Now we're going to add 12 ounces of mascarpone, and I'm just going to eyeball this. This is a 16-ounce container, so I'll probably use like 3/4 of it. That looks good. Now this you want to fold in. You don't want to work it in with the blender. So that's what we're going to do. Going to work it in. And then once this is worked in, we'll work in the KitKat pieces. Good. You know, it's not too sweet at this point, but the KitKat pieces are going to make up for it. So, that being said, let's add them. You know what? I think I'm going to add more KitKat pieces. It's another light cup. So we got about 2 cups. Okay. Now we're just gonna put our filling in, and then we're done. So this is going to be a dessert for tomorrow. So this is definitely going to have to set up. I've never done a no bake before, so I would say, you know, overnight, 24 hours. That would be a good time. I'm guessing we cover this. Oh yeah. Okay. And we'll be back in 24 hours.